So basically, this is the time to show you all how to achieve an hexagon cake. So this is a square cake, 10 inches cake, already trimmed, already filled, layered and trimmed. You've seen already. So what you do now, the first thing is you'd pick out the parts that you want to trim out. In this case, I think I'm using this part. This part is higher, so I prefer to use this side. So all you do, alright, is just to position your knife in a steady pattern here. Alright, can you see what I'm doing? Just about 1 inch. Just about 1 inch really. And ensure to get your sides, your hands very steady so you can go once as much as possible. So you do this, see that. The interesting thing about top forward cake designs is that there's always some cake to eat. You're right. Yeah. Take that out. And that. So I'll repeat the same process here. If you are not very guaranteed of yourself getting your sides equally, you can use a tape measure like this. This is what I measured here. This is about 3.5 inches exactly. 3.5. So what I'll just do is, let's just be sure that we're on track. I'll just put it here again and make sure I cut it on the mark of the 3.5. See, just like this. See. So I'll be putting my knife just here. See that? And then we'll go again the second time. Level this out a bit. The process that we follow here will be followed here as well. So I'll go again, the same pattern here. Yeah, so again. I keep taking away the colors. So see, done that. It's the same thing here again. I'm sure you can already guess what this would look like. Same thing. I'll go again here. Now you see what I'm talking about? So at this point, just check that the surface is level. As you see, you can see that it feels a bit bumpy on the top. Because remember, it's a top forward cake, so if there has to even be any part of the cake with a flaw, it definitely comes to the surface. Because remember that the surface is coming all the way to the top, as into the front. That's why it's called a top forward cake design. Okay, so this is it. So here the cake. This piece looks a bit small, right? See? And this is what it looks like after trimming all 4 sides. Alright, and make sure this is a bit wider so that it will be able to sit properly, you know, and not have too much weight on it with a very narrow part. So here is a bit here is a bit wider than every other part. So yeah, I'm going to compose now, return to the freezer, finish up the covering, and then at the end of the day, finish up the design.